Climate Canopy is an immersive light sculpture that represents 170 years of climate data. It's been produced by Alison Smith, a visual artist, and her team of fabricators and makers to portray how temperature has changed around the whole world from the Industrial Revolution, from around 170 years ago through to present day. So the different colours and the different lengths of the fringed curtains represent how temperature has changed over that time.
I didn't know when we walked in the room what it was. It was just a piece. But when he explained what it was really quite powerful, quite scary as well, as to what it's going to be like in another 50 years' time.
I've never seen it presented like this before. I think it's a really interesting way to do it. I think usually you kind of get lost in the numbers, and it's nice to see like a physical representation that you can actually walk through. It's really nice. Well, not nice. It's actually quite scary.
I've only seen temperature data in books or on television, not in any kind of art form. It opens up questions when you see something more visual. To actually walk through it, which I have done, you get the sensation of the changes, how the world is progressed. It's quickened, life's quicker. I think we just need to try and step back and slow down.